and please take care and enjoy your time at home. Okay. So today we are going to learn about getting to know plants of class 6th. Okay. First of all, what is plants and where they come from, all these things comes in our mind. Okay. So plants are immobile living organisms all around us. Okay. And they are mostly in green in color and use sun as the source of energy to make food. And most important, they are the primary food providers. How we can say they are the primary food providers? Okay, whatever the herbivores, omnivores and carnivores eat, okay, indirectly or directly, they all eat plants. Okay, that's why plants are called the primary food provider. This is the most important reason of this. Okay, now what are the parts of a plant? Okay, so I draw a diagram of plants. Okay, so these are the parts of the plants mostly. Okay, this is the flower. Okay, this is the fruit, this is the leaf, this is the stem, and the last one is root. They are mostly in the plants. Okay, and they have their different and own functions to make plant bigger, smaller, shorter, whatever we can say. Okay, now the next one is in all of around us there are different type of plants like herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers and climbers. Okay, so later we briefly discuss on that. So I told you that different type of plants are there. First of all, herbs, shrubs and trees, and creepers and climbers we have also. So first of all, what is herbs? Mostly the herbs are like green and tender stems, and mostly they are very short, like they are like this thing. Okay, this is the ground level. Okay, we can say then they are very short, very short. Okay, they have also a big type of like this. They have and they do not have branches. Examples of herbs are like mint. Okay, spinach, spinach हो गया ये. These are the examples of herbs. Now next is shrubs. Shrubs are they are not thick. Okay, they are very thin and weak and like this. But the shrubs, they are thick, not much hard. Okay, and they are taller than herbs. Like this is the ground level. Okay, they have some branches, not much, but have some branches. Okay, so they have like this. Okay, they have like this, we can say. So these are the shrubs like the lemon. Okay, lemon हो गया and rose plant, tulsi, mostly found in our homes. So they are the example of shrubs. Now the trees we all see trees every day in our daily life. Okay, like this we can say. Okay, like fruits, they have very thick branches, very hard barks, all these things, and they have also fruits. They have many branches, all these things. They are very taller. Examples are like neem tree, banyan tree. There are more many examples we can give on trees. Now the climbers and creepers, we can say creepers and climbers. Creepers, what is creepers? Creepers are those plants which are weak, and their stems are like we can say very weak and long, and they are mostly lie on the ground. They are mostly lie on the ground, like this is the ground level. Okay, so we can say these are the creepers. These are the creepers like this. These are the creepers. Examples of creepers are like pumpkin, watermelon. These are the examples of creepers like pumpkin, watermelon. These are the example of creepers and climbers. Climbers, they are also long and green in color and weak also, and they have very thin stem. And what are they like? They are lying on the ground level. Okay, they need support ground, but in climbers they need support of something like a road, or we can say a wall of house, so they can grow and climb to wall and reach their highest level. They are the climbers. Okay, example like this. Okay, this is the something stem or something branch of some tree, so they can grow like this. Okay, they can grow like this. These are called the climbers. Example, the most important example, and mostly they are found in some houses, and mostly in houses we can say, like money plant. What we can say, money plant. This is the best example of climbers to remember what is climber. Okay, so you understand all these things. Different type of plants. First is herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers and climbers. And like herbs, they are very short. Examples like mint, spinach, okay, podina, right? Shrubs are taller than herbs. Examples are like lemon, rose, tulsi. They mostly found in our homes. Like, so they are very easy to remember. What is shrubs? What is trees? What is climbers? Like this, trees. Okay, we all know these things. For the creepers and climbers, we differentiate between them. Okay, creepers and climbers. Climbers like charna. Okay, we can remember these things. And the important example is like money plant. Okay, now next is the function of stems and how it works. Okay, first point is it bears leaves, buds, flower, fruits, extra. Okay, stem is a very important part because it support and some store also. Okay, what it bears like leaves, birds, plants, okay, fruits, flowers, extra, all these things. And the function of stem is the stem conduct water from the roots to the leaves and to the other parts. Okay, what it do that it conduct water from the roots and transfer to other parts of the plants, and food from the leaves. And what leaf is the kitchen. Okay, we can say leaf is the kitchen of the plant because it store food, or we can say it make food. So what stem do? Stems can be conduct food from the leaves and transfer to all parts of the plants. Second, stem as vegetables. What it is this? Okay, this is the important thing is stem also sometimes also act like a store food. Okay, how we can say, these are some and rare examples like potato and ginger. They do not have some branches. Okay, what is they grow in the ground, so this is also type of a plant. Okay, potato and ginger. So what they all are the stems. Okay, they have their own stems, so what they store some foods, so they are the examples stems as vegetables. Now what is the function of leaves? What is the function of leaves? Leaf is like this. Okay, we can say green, mostly green in color. And why green is the color of leaves mostly? There is also some reason which is called photosynthesis, or in the process of photosynthesis there is some word chlorophyll, and they have some color because of this. Okay, the green pigment chlorophyll, because of this they have green in color. Okay, the function of leaf is it is the most important part of the plant. Mostly leaves of plants are green in color, and they have different shapes and size of leaves. Function of leaf is transpiration. Okay, or transpiration means sweating of plant, and second point is photosynthesis. how they transpiration. Okay, so first of all, let us understand this thing. Okay, like this is the stem of plant. Okay, they are the roots. Okay, here we conduct water. Okay, so stem is conduct water from roots and transfer all the parts of plant. Okay, then so it is also goes on leaves. Okay, so the stem conduct water to the leaves, and what is it sweat the water outside of the plant, or we can say outside of the leaves. Then sweating of water from leaf is called transpiration. What is this called? Transpiration. First function of leaves is transpiration. Okay. Second function is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. This is the very important part. So what is this photosynthesis? Okay, photosynthesis, it is a process. Okay, what it is a process. Okay, the in this process what the plants, okay, the plants use sun as the source of energy to make food. This is called photosynthesis. This is the process of this is photosynthesis, and equation of photosynthesis is, okay. Next is root. What is the function of roots? Okay, mostly the roots are responsible absorbing minerals and water from the soil and transferring from all the parts of the plants. And also important example of this, roots hold the plants with soil. Okay, and this is the very most important exam the most important function of this, and this is essential to support the upright position of the plant. Okay, and another function of these are the thing, root also perform the function of storing important nutrient and growth of the plant. Examples are like carrot ho gaya, and there are also some roots which store some foods. Okay, like carrot, okay, it store food. Okay, this is type of plant. Okay, like this, how the this is the ground level. Okay, these are the small like, and what are the carrot are like this, they grow in the ground. So the function of carrot is store food. Okay, what is the function of the store food? This is the type of a root. Okay, there are two type of root, taproot and fibrous root. Okay, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot is like they have single branch. Okay, single branch main, and they have some small neighbor branches like this. This is called taproot. And fibrous root, they have many branches, and this is just like a mass. This is just like a mass. This is fibrous root. What is fibrous root? Okay, next one is, these are the mostly these are the mostly in getting to know plants. Then these are the functions, like we study the function of stem, leaves and roots, and in the next class we study the function of flower very briefly. Okay, so if you have any doubt, let me know, and if you have any doubt, comment on the box, so that I clear your doubts. Okay, thank you so much.